So I'm discussing about the very important topic in your Facebook. Just clear. Go to create. The option call is consideration. Option call is messages. See here. What is that? Campaign name will be called messages. Now clear here. Website talk messages. Click for continue. Is going to add group here. Add set name. Same. Now here. What is that? Add group. What is that? Click to messenger. Sponsor to messenger. It will be working for Facebook right side, or you can go to the individual chat messengers. I'm clicking for click to messenger. So yeah, what is that? Custom audience selection, location India, age 18 years to 65. But my age I'm set target only for up to 45 years. 18 years to 45 years. Gender all. Language will be I'm clicking for empty. Or else you can set by the English. What is that? Detailed target. Your target by which persons? Digital marketing. You always select by the interested persons. Done. Now what is that? Connections. Where? Facebook page. Exclude people who like your page. Nothing but I have 1,000 likes are there. I now target them 1,000 like friends and their friends. I target by exclude 1,000 their friends and 1,000 peoples in my page like persons. So here. What is that? Add your page. So I'm adding with the what is that? Mr. Rakesh. I'm adding with the, what is that? Pages. Which page are you exclude for the likes now? How many pages I'm adding here? 2. Suppose. Start. Now click for save audience. What is that? Audience name, location, targeted, peoples and keywords, age and location. Now click for save. Now always remember, I'm always remember a lot of times the arrow will be look the arrow here always. Now here. What is my total budget is? Daily or total? Daily. So here I fix by actual amount spent day many carry. So here what's the lifetime? 50,000 plus. I'm adding it only for daily budget. Then add continuously today onwards. You can schedule your date, start date and end date. Now total week how much? 1,750 rupees. 250 into 7. 14. Sorry, 70, 50. Now, what is that? When you get charged, impressions, not for the clicks. Can they see your ad? They will be charged. Why? This is a messenger. Messenger thing, but they see the message, not for clicks. They see your message, amount will be deducted. Now here, zero type, always standard. Click for continue. Before that, just look here. See, I can forget one topic here. I'm going to where? Back. I can show the reach actually. I did not show the reach. See how much reach? 1,000 to 5,400. What is my budget? 250. Compare with the website promotion, video promotion, and the messenger. Which is better? Video promotion is better. You compare 3. So here, 250. What is the reach will be? 1,000 to 5,400. Now click for Continue. How was that? Create a page. Which page are you promoting for Messenger? Which page? Digital Rakesh. Which one? You are entering with the Facebook page. If anybody come to this page, you automatically get the messenger will be open with the message along with the image. What that? Total, single image, single video, slideshow. What is the image size? Less than 20% content. Video less than 50 seconds for desktop, mobile and Instagram. More than 50 seconds also will accept. It's support only for desktop and mobile. They not supported by where? Instagram. So yeah, single video, upload photo, and go to site here photo. Right. Digital marketing, services and training in Hyderabad. Let's go with the website. Now connect in Messenger. What that? Services and trainings. What that? Call to action. Is a send message. Nothing but anybody open my page, automatically get the pop-up. What is my pop-up is? Digital marketing, services and training in Hyderabad here. Now call. Done. What is that showing for? Send message. And order the auto reply. Is my test will be auto reply. Now click for. What that? Click for. As approved. Suppose is not approved. What is the reason? Your selected topic is missing. Now click for continue. Any ad dependent by which one? Your page. LinkedIn is your company page. Facebook is page. LinkedIn is LinkedIn company page. Everything dependent by your only for your company pages. And your videos are your postings, your images will be like this. Or that in review. They approve by less than 1 hour time. This is called messengers.